Hi there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for all the lovely comments and the ones concerning my wife. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot. Right folks, the other day I was out and about and I called into Sainsburys and I think it was Michael who asked me to try, or suggested to try, one of the Stamford Street company's cottage pies, I think. Might have been lasagna, but I couldn't find the lasagna, it was just this cottage pie. And there it is folks. And this was £1. Or £1. And there it is. This is Sainsburys' own bargain brand, I suppose. Strange name, Stamford Street. But there we go. There must be a reason behind it. Right, your ingredients in this are reconstituted potato, it is water, dried potato, and turmeric, white pepper, beef 12%, carrot, onion, peas, corn flour, fortified wheat flour, calcium carbonate, iron, niacin, thiamine, tomato puree, yeast extract, caramelized sugar syrup, salt, beef stock, onion powder, sea salt, mushroom extract, red wine concentrate, black pepper and gluten. Your allergy warnings in this are just for wheat. So there it is. There's the one on the box. You can microwave it or you can cook it in the oven. I've done mine in the oven simply because I don't like the microwave. And here we go folks. And that's what you get. So, as always, it's down to the taste test. So let's see what we think about this one folks. Sainsburys Stamford Street cottage pie. It does look nice and it smells nice. I'll try the potato. It's obviously got a bit of the gravy on, but the potato's okay, it is what it is. It's reconstituted potato. Bit similar to smash, I suppose. On its own, for me, it does lack a little bit of seasoning. But that's me. It may be fine for everyone else. Right, we'll try some of the insides. There it is folks. The gravy is really nice, no complaints with that. Try some with the mash. It's very nice. No real complaints about it. It's not brilliant by any means, but for £1, what do you expect? There's some more there. The carrots are nice in there. The peas are a little bit hard. The beef is chewy. There's no gnarliness in the beef, it's just chewy. Decent flavour. Can't taste the red wine. And overall for me it does just lack that bit of seasoning. The peas do have a nice flavour, but they're just a bit hard. Overall, it's fairly decent. I would buy it again, but not by choice, shall we say. For me here, the peas do actually spoil it. It's just a very unusual texture at the side of the rest of it. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Just give it a stir around and see if that makes any difference. The salt there again has improved it, but you do find today that so many of these ready meals are under-seasoned. I mean, it's all very well the health side of things, but what people never seem to see is the fact that we do need salt to survive. Overall, this is pleasant. Nicer with the salt added. Be nicer without the peas. You have all that soft potato, the sauce, the mince, etc. The carrots are soft, but then you come to these peas and it's just, they're a bit like eating chickpeas, if you know what that texture is. So personally, I would buy it again, but not by choice. For £1, you can't complain at all. It's an amazing deal. That is really, really good. £1, and it's a decent amount. And for people who are struggling, as they are these days, and no doubt will get worse, it is a very good offering from Sainsburys, so well done. Can I recommend it? I can recommend you try it and see what you think. Some people will love it, and I know some that won't. So it's one of them. It's tasty enough. As a score, 6.5 out of 10 is a fair score. It could be better and it could be a lot worse. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And if you're not yet subscribed, just come and join us. It won't cost you a penny. Helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. As always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have an absolutely amazing Thursday everyone. Bye for now.